Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the best 2 deals. Yes, some crazy clearance deals. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers apply for my subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, we got this bar and stool set. Patio bar set. It says $3.98 down from $5.98. This is a nice deal, especially for the patios. We got the new Eagle fans, 18 inches. These are misters. I believe they do throw some nice mist. $56 for the Eagle blower. If you guys want to check out the video, I just did a video on this not too long ago on that blower. It's the older version. I believe it's 500 something CFM, and the new one's 700, I believe. You got string trimmer. You got a pull saw here. It's Cobalt Pull Saw for $129, was $159. It is battery operated. You got edge trimmer, 24-inch dual action blades, $119 down from $149. Alright, you got this on the clearance section. You got this storage compartment or storage organizer, so $18 down from $24.98. Then you got this Craftsman toolboxes or truck box tray, $20 down from $34. So that's the way they look. They got plenty of them there. They got the chalk reel here, 100 feet chalk reel from Cobalt 2-pack, $9.98 down from $14.98. This is a nice little set. If you guys do a lot of landscaping and stuff like that. And then you got this hammer and pry bar sets, 20 ounce, really nice hammer, $14.98 down from $19.98. So a really nice set there. Alright, they got this extractor. This is like a dust extractor made for the angle grinder, so $39.98 down from $49.98. Alright, you got some clearance on the appliances here, so it's down to $8.50. This is a really nice fridge. It says manufacturer's warranty, protection plan warranty eligible. This is completely brand new. I don't know why they're just clearancing these out. A lot of these are non-damaged. This one's the same. It's down to $1,100 down from $21. And check this one out. This one's really nice. It does have 4 different doors, so it's down to $1,000 from $1,900. Has 4 different doors. I never seen one like this before. So I don't know if you can mismatch the bottom ones as in freezers. Maybe one freezer or 2 of them, make them into freezers independently. Maybe that's the way this operates. We'll have to find out if that operates like that. And they got this really cheap one, $524 down from $1049. It's a really nice fridge. Great for if you guys got an apartment or a house for rent or just remodel. These are great appliances for that. And then this one's missing just the water level. You can probably just go online and just pick up a knob there. It's down to $2.99. This is for a brand new washer. Killer deal on this one. Down from $5.98. And then they got this wine rack. You can use it for beers. You can use it for sodas. A lot of people, what I've seen is that they put these, they take out their dishwashers and they put those instead because they're about the same size. Just depending on if you want the dishwasher or not, or you can just set it outside in the patio. And they got this washer. This one's a really nice washer. It's down to this one's a dryer. This one's a LG dryer. It's $425 down from $848. It's a really nice. I believe it's there's nothing wrong with this one. So that's the way it opens. It actually opens on both directions, either sides or I believe on the bottom too. Then they got this range hood here. It's white for $25. Like I said, for all the rental properties you guys got, for the apartments, these are great remodel appliances. And they got this washer here, $584. It does have a really small dent on the back corner. It's really hard to see. It's way on the back and it's at the bottom. So this is a really nice washer. Then they got this fridge, guys. They just pull out this fridge. This thing's completely brand new. There's nothing wrong with this one. They're just clearancing it out. They're clearancing it out. So, all right. So this one's down to $1,500 from $29. It's still on the package. Seems like I believe the note said it was something damaged on the back, but it's on the back. You know, it's completely still unpackaged from the inside, completely brand new. Yeah, I think I usually buy my appliances, you know, completely brand new and stuff like that. But after seeing all these clearance deals, I think I'm not gonna buy any more brand new appliances. I'm gonna buy myself a nice set from these clearance deals if something ever goes bad. So they got this water heater here. Is an 80-gallon, 10-year, 1959. So this is actually a really big appliance for the bigger houses. You got a spade bit set here, 6 piece, $9.97. It's a really nice set. It's this one right here, I believe. It says bonus 2 free spade bits or spade bit blades. Not bad. All right, $14.98 for the 2.0 screwdriving kit. It's a 30 piece. Does have some Robertsons, some stars, some 1-inch, some Tic Tac case. $99 your choice here. Bosch brushless 2-in-1 freak. Then you got the drill, the hammer drill. So 1/2-inch hammer drill on that one. And then you got the freak there, which is an impact driver and an impact wrench. Alright, you got the reciprocating saw and the jigsaw blades. $9.98 your choice. $19.98 your choice. Any of these, the Ox brand. You got the chalk reel, or you can get the hammer, the striker, the hammer, whatever you want to call it. $24.98 down from $29.98. This is a 14-piece spade bit set, which is not that one. It's the one with the pouch. All right, so they got the 610 tool combo kit. I believe brush tools. Now this is a good deal. You got the drywall screw gun and the cutout tool with 2 batteries, charger, the bag. Then they got the 6 tool combo kit, $549. They got the Bosch here 2 tool combo kit for $159 for $189. This box is damaged, so I don't know if they're gonna give you a discount on that one, like Home Depot does. You got $237. This is a killer deal, guys. It's a 4 tool combo kit for $237. These are brushless tools. Down from $419. Killer deal. Clearance, go get them, guys. I did not get it because I already got too many tools. Chances are I probably got these tools already. So $342 down from $449. I believe it's the same tool combo or something similar. You got the drill there, a drill driver for $99 down from $159. It is brushless, and then you got a brushless impact driver, $99. These are on sale. These are always on sale, guys. So if you guys need a reliable set, you guys can pick those up. Guys, we got this one on clearance. This is a mid-torque impact wrench, $164 down from $219. It's killer deal on this one too. Pretty nice deal. You got a 2-pack shaker there, a 2-amp-hour battery, $79. And then you got a 2-pack of 4s, $99. Not too bad. Alright, you got a 3-amp-hour starter kit. Down for $149 from $159. Alright, they got the drill driver, a metal drill driver there for $99. Or impact driver for $99. Got the 4-tool combo kit for $239. It's a nice deal. Very similar to the DeWalt. I probably would get the DeWalt. If they don't have the DeWalt, I will get this one. So they're about the same price. You got the triple hammer, $119. This is a killer deal. I have this thing. This thing's a beast. This thing is just powerful. You got the Cobalt Light, down to $23 from $60. So this is a really great deal on that one. So you guys could price match on that one if you guys want to get it. Actually, you guys could price match any of these. You guys, sometimes you guys let me know that in the comment section whether you guys got the deal or not price matched. A lot of you are saying in the comments that you guys price match to your store. Guys, it just depends on the store manager, on the store. It's just case by case. Sometimes they will price match, sometimes they don't. So don't get mad if they don't. I mean, you at least tried. So let me know down in the comment section if you guys ever price match something from the videos, or if you guys got any of these tools at a at an even better price. Let us know down on the comment section. $69 down from $79. It's a nice, pretty much a beginner's tool there, a homeowner's tool. You got this nice Metabo, a dual bevel miter saw, $3.99. I wish, a few months back this was like down to like $162. It was just a killer deal. A lot of you got them. I did not get it. I wish I would have gotten it. I need one. This one's a bandsaw. It's a porter cable bandsaw. That's a nice set. And you got the chop saw or single bevel compound miter saw, 12-inch, down to $199 from $299. DeWalt's. You got a saw here. It's a table saw, some sort of table saw from Rockwell. Alright, you got the buy one get one. So you buy one of those Craig Precision benchtop router tables, and you get yourself a TrueFlex feather board with twin pack free. So that is the table saw, or the table that you have to buy there at the bottom, for $249. $54 down from $64.98. Massive mouth bag, 16 inches. These are really nice looking bags. Great brand, great quality on these. You got a 2-pack impact driver, drill driver for $169, or you can get the single tool for $99, which we already saw these. It's just a different place at the store. Then they got the new Cobalt stack system, or the modular storage system, for $199. These, I really like these, by the way. These seem to be better than the Craftsman's. I think they're one of the, I would say they're on par with the tough system, or with the rigid. I would say mostly with the rigid toolboxes. I would say they're kind of like very comparable, I would say, in price and everything. Well, not in price, because rigid is actually cheaper. So if you're listening, Lowe's, make sure you guys lower the price. Alright, so we got the chalk reel there, $5, and these were already, some of these were already sold out, so I did not show these, just these. The Lufkin Crescent, so not bad deals. There are the Night Eye. Then they got this down from $199 down from $299. It's actually not too bad, because they got it advertised for $249, but here then they got these on clearance for $75. An impact wrench from Bosch, down to from $189. This is the 2-tool combo kit, $159 down from $199. Then they got this other, is an impact kit, a freak impact kit for $99. Alright, got the hammer drill and brushless and hammer drill. There's a 2-tool combo kit, $179. You got the hammer drill by itself with the kit for $99. That is the impact wrench, that's $75.57 from $189. You get the 2 amp hour battery, $59 down from $79. Alright, you got 4 amp hour battery for $89 down from $149, I believe. Then they got the brand nailer here. It's a 2-inch brand nailer, $49.98 down from $99.98. These are aired, by the way, air like compressor. You do have to have a compressor. $23 for the 50-footer and $32 for the 100-footer. So guys, definitely check them out. Lots of good deals. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.